So today I saw Dream making an RC car.
I want a big fancy car with the top back and shopping
So I went to the studio
in the back seat. I'm going fast, spinning my wheels, keeping it real, feeling the feelings I feel. Spinning my
take a
wheels.
piece of paper and start designing the sketch.
This summer, man, I'm coolin' on the low. I don't want no pressure, want no smoke. I just wanna chill up.
I finished the sketch, so now it's time to put it on a piece of wood.
Cause I'm broke, talk about the life I live. I just wanna play my jams. I just wanna hold you close. Shot my place like ooh. Bring out the
I'm using this blue tape to make easy to sketch. I had to go to an online school. No way.
2,000 years later.
School was free, so now let's go work. So we need a controller to control the motor and mark the points where we wanted to mount the screws. So I drilled the hole, so now let's see if all the parts go perfectly in their places. And they are perfectly. I forgot to buy the battery. Let's go buy them. I'm using those ultra fire battery. So now let's solder all the wire. We need some graphic on this paper to make the controller.
Cuando te vi con tu falda, no exagero, me quería morir. Yo sé que estoy loco por ti.
So I finished this sensor, so now let's see if it works. And it seems like worked perfectly. So now let's glue it in this crazy glove.
Yo ya sé que contigo estamos hot, con tu abrigo a lo agresivo, a lo agresivo. Eso parece que lo encuentras atractivo, a lo agresivo, a lo agresivo. Eres prohibida como un falso negativo. Tú y yo.
Oh yeah. So to control those sensors we need a controller, so now let's solder all the pins.
Somos los dos, tú y yo, queriéndonos, dámosmelo en el trono, oh baby, estoy loco por ti.
It seemed to work fine. So we need a DC jack that will act like to charge the battery. So I added the diode to the positive pin of the battery.
Sabes, bebé, que soy para ti. Estoy loco por ti también. Y bellaqueando.
Now it's time to prepare it for painting. But wait, as you might know, I cannot live without Fanta, so please give me some. Oh yeah, now I feel so damn fresh. So I finished my beautiful design.
Yeah. Yeah.
To paint this, I'm using the blue spray painting and the gold spray painting. But before going to paint, don't forget to wear the ultra fire blue gloves. Oh yeah, my favorite part, spray painting. So now the spray paint is dry, so now let's remove all the
And
tapes.
your voice is my favorite sound, yeah. I can hear you breathing when I put it down, yeah. Crazy how last weekend turned
So now let's put all the parts back and we are ready to go.
for me. I want melody to take me home. Please don't wait too long, yeah. Wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan. Melody, please take me home. Please don't wait too long, yeah. Wanna hear you sing, wanna make you moan. Yeah, bad little broad from the valley, that's my turf. She has high balance.
I don't know what it is this, but I'm using S wheel.
Verse, I say, guess that all depends, yeah. Do you got some friends from my friends, yeah. Girl, I'm playing, hot damn. How you look in the mirror like that? Maybe wanna get in my bed. I ain't gonna rap when I hear you wanna trap my back. I'm ready to get it if you're ready to get it down.
Oh yeah, it works perfectly. So now it's time to enjoy the reveal. Bye!
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.